Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down complex legal concepts into simple, accessible knowledge. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic of resulting trusts. What exactly are resulting trusts and how do they arise? Why do courts use them and how are they applied under Singapore law? I'll explain it all and provide three real-life examples to clarify the concept. Now, a resulting trust arises when property is transferred to someone, but the law steps in to declare that the recipient is holding the property in trust for another person. The essence of a resulting trust is fairness. It prevents unjust enrichment and ensures that the true intentions of the parties are respected. Resulting trusts generally arise in two situations. First situation, a resulting trust occurs because a trust fails for some reason and the property reverts back to the transferor. For example, if someone creates a trust for charity, but the trust is later held to be invalid, the property in the trust results back to the person who originally transferred it. The second type of resulting trust is where one party transfers property to another without any evidence that it was intended as a gift. In such cases, the court presumes that the recipient holds the property on trust for the transferor. Why do courts rely on resulting trusts? The answer lies in the principles of equity. Resulting trusts are a tool that courts use to ensure fairness where there is no clear legal framework. The law of equity operates to correct unjust outcomes, particularly where one party might otherwise benefit unfairly at the expense of another. By inferring a trust, courts align property rights with the intentions of the party, even if those intentions were not explicitly stated. Under Singapore law, resulting trusts are recognized through case law, which has evolved from English common law principles. While there is no specific statute governing resulting trusts, the courts have provided clarity through important cases. The Singapore Court of Appeal has held that a transfer of property without evidence of a gift gives rise to a resulting trust. However, this presumption can be rebutted through evidence, such as the presumption of advancement. The presumption of advancement applies in certain relationships, like a parent to a child, where a transfer is presumed to be a gift unless proven otherwise. The Singapore Evidence Act also plays a role here, as it governs the rules of evidence needed to prove or disprove presumptions in cases involving resulting trusts. To help you better understand, let's explore three examples where resulting trusts might arise. First, imagine Alice transfers $1 million to Bob to hold under a trust for charity. However, the trust document is defective and unenforceable. In this case, a resulting trust arises, and the property is returned to Alice because the trust failed. Next, consider John, who purchases a house but registers it in his friend Josephine's name. John pays the full purchase price of the house, and there is no evidence that John intended the house as a gift to his friend Josephine. In this situation, the court would infer a presumed resulting trust, where Jane is holding the house on trust for John. In this situation, the court would infer a purchase money resulting trust, where Josephine is holding the house on trust for John, even though the house is registered in Josephine's name. Finally, let's take the example of Sarah and Tom, a couple who purchase a house together. Sarah contributes 70% of the purchase price, but Tom is the registered owner to the property. If the couple divorce or separate or whatever, and there's no evidence that Sarah intended her contributions as a gift, the court may infer a resulting trust, recognizing Sarah's substantial financial contribution to the property. Resulting trusts are a vital doctrine in equity because they ensure that property rights align with fairness and intention. However, this concept is not without its controversies. For example, the presumption of advancement, where gifts are presumed in specific relationships like parent to child, may feel outdated in modern times where financial dynamics are far more complex. I hope this explanation has helped you understand the legal doctrine of resulting trusts and its application under Singapore law. Resulting trusts play a significant role in preventing unjust enrichment and respecting the true intentions behind property transfers. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.